Got some green in you now.
We got 2 of these size tree frogs. There are 2 in here. There's 2 in here somewhere. There's the other one right there. 1, 2 tree frogs. 1, and there's another one in here.
1 grasshopper escaped.
1 grasshopper escaped, but that was the big one.
Escaped, one escaped.
Yeah. But, Dad, they're all over the place. But I accidentally grabbed one.
Daddy, I got one. Dog. It's a green little one. Hold on it. Hold on it. Oh, no. No. Somewhere. You would jump everywhere.
Dad, don't step on it.
What?
You stepped on a big one.
Catch them.
That's huge.
That's a big one. Katie is flying with 1 leg.
Catch a bunch of crickets and grasshoppers and frogs and go see what's in the water. All right, let's get the stroller out here for the twins. You ready to go? Ready to go?
Yeah, I got my water. Yeah,
Head to the second pond. We don't have much time, so we gotta get there and fish while we can.
Right down.
Yep.
Yes.
Watch for rabbits and coyotes
Buddy, move.
and deer.
Yes.
We go down that grassy spot. On rock crawling. See the kingfisher? It's a kingfisher out there.
Yeah. Katie, kingfisher. Right there. Come here, it's a bird.
Yep, that's it. The bird right there.
The kingfisher.
See it with a long neck?
Yeah. That one, it just poked its head in.
Yep.
How did that get in there? The big tire.
Tractor tire.
Yeah.
Alright, there's some fish right there. It's not very deep, but it's deep enough for some brim, maybe. Hey, where are you going?
You see them? The duckies? We go to them. You can see them from here.
You just hit me?
Yeah. No.
Frog's already jumped in over here.
Dad, can you put my bait on?
So you can catch fish. Need to put a hook and a weight on.
See the water?
I need bait. I have my bobber. Yeah, Julia gave me the green one. Yeah, I have a red one. Julia. Yeah, and my backpack.
Well, you're gonna have to use a weight instead of a bobber, because that's the only bobber we got. Somebody didn't bring the tackle box.
Holston. Put it on your ankle and don't take it off. Do not take it back off. You
I need bait, Daddy. I need bait. What? The grasshopper?
Drop the weight.
Have one what?
Oh, the weight. A grasshopper. A grasshopper.
Caught it?
Oh no, Julie caught it. Oh no, get it. Get it. Julia almost caught it, but didn't. Look at this. It's on you, Daddy. On you. It's on you. Hey, you got it. Yeah. Oh no, you almost got it. You can put that one on Juju's. That's a snail. Thank you, Daddy. Now, Julia, you can, wait.
No.
Get one.
Stay.
Can you give me a frog?
Stay.
I got a frog.
You use a frog?
Uh-huh. I want the frog. I done.
Be still so you know when something's getting in line.
When it goes underneath, when it moves, yeah. Can you put this on?
You can't do it?
Put it back at your foot. I should have brought my camera with me.
No. Throw them out there and let them sit. I gave them a chance to catch something. Let's see if I can catch anything.
Josh, we're trying to start touching that bug bracelet.
Quit touching the bracelet. Where is it? Don't touch the bracelet. Leave it on your ankle.
Really?
Tiny fish. Had a fish hit, and then my memory went full. But I didn't catch it anyway. There we go.
Something got the thing off again. Last time, all three of us got a fish. And you.
Yeah. All right. Bait it up, Julia. You can bait it up. Let's try this again. Trying to catch one with your bare hands.
Yeah, but I'm trying to get the fish.
Hold this one.
Daddy?
Hold on. What?
Wait. Stop it. Leave it there. The bobber goes down.
It's heavy. It's heavy.
Heavy.
It's tapping on it. It's tapping on it, Daddy.
Yeah, it took my bait.
Well, the girls, the outside.
We got the last cricket. Nope, not the last cricket holding it. Here's the last one. This is for the last one.
Little tiny one.
Yep, a little tiny one, and that's it.
Y'all gonna have to go to that grass over there and look for some more.
No, it's not. I found one. Well, but I can't. I had it caught. So now I have to find more. Look through the glass.
Got one. Got one.
Got one. That's mine.
Did you get a big one? I got a small one.
Daddy, mine's that low.
Go find you one. Go find you one like that. Caught one. Look, I caught one.
Yeah. And little.
I'm coming the other way. I'm coming.
You gonna unhook it for me?
Have spiders. Can I see?
Yeah. It's so tall.
Can I unhook it?
Oh, okay. I don't put it in the bait. Okay.
I'm keeping this one.
He's too small for that, Julia.
Here you go.
Gonna let him go. You wanna let it go, Julia? No?
Eat it.
Eat it. It's too small to eat. Maybe next time. Come on. Get over here. Oh, I got him. Got it on camera. Slung him out of the water, and I still got my grasshopper. Time to go. I got fish biting right now. Oh, they took it. Time to go. That was the last of my bait. Who caught a fish? Me.
Where's the bucket?
Where's the bucket?
Did you leave the bucket, Colton?
Oh, yeah.
Go back and get it. It's right there.
Go get it.
I told him to get it.
You don't need to go way over there by yourself.
Now we're even.
I still have the grasshopper. Still have the grasshopper on there.
It's trying to eat it, but it's coming.
Oh, no.
Oh no, grab it!
I'm not going back in that water yet.
I can grab it. Can I hold it? Can I hold it? Can I hold it, Bubba? Can I hold it? Can I hold it?
It's tiny.
Watch out, it can stab you.
Can I hold it?
Itty bitty fish. I
Can
think
I
that
hold it,
one.
Bubba? Can I hold it? Can I hold it?
Hold it.
I'm gonna pet it.
Put it. Joshua, go with him to get it real quick.
It'll be
Ready?
good as a
Caught it.
pet.
I caught it right there.
He caught a fish. Did you see it? He caught a fish.
Yeah.
Bucket. You know, the kids don't care how big the fish are, as long as you're catching fish.
Now quickly, Katie.
Run! Get it back.
You protecting something? You protecting something? It's okay. I'm protecting something too. Don't touch it. All right, go by. Walk by, y'all. He's protecting his goosette. All right, there they are. Right there.
Why don't you push? I'm tired.
Here. Hey! It's thundering! Oh, it's lightning! Hurry, hurry, hurry! I guess you're gonna have to run with the key then. Okay. Made it. Thanks for watching this video. If you would like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our Carolina Creeks channel. The link will be in the description.